Never before in history of competition have we seen a
15.7.
9.
15.7.
9.
15.7.
Oh! You guys want to
15.7 radians.
He's gonna make it or kill himself trying.
15.7.
He is deep.
Trying it so many times, I started to feel like this could be the ultimate disappointment, you know, if I just can't do it. So that's why I was willing to just stick it at any cost, you know, if it meant that I was going to get taken out and taken to the hospital. So be it, you know, it was worth the effort.
I think it was a conscious decision, like, okay, everybody stop skating, let Tony try and make this. We all just wanted to get behind him and see him do it.
Tony Hawk! Tony Hawk! Tony Hawk!
15.7 radians. 15.7 radians.
Oh! No way!
The crowd wanting to see something spectacular, the whole other side of the skateboard community knowing that this is history, this is something very special. They all wanted to see him make it as much as he wanted to make it.
9. Are you kidding me? Yeah, look at this! Tony Hawk, everybody!
15.7 radians. 15.7 radians. 15.7 radians.
If it weren't for you people, I would have never made that. Thank you. Thank you. This is the best day of my life. I swear to God.